What is up to YouTube? I know it's been a long time. I wanted to give you an update on my animals and my life. So here we go. Jacob here, 7 years old. He's not well. I don't know how long I have with him. Come here, honey. Yeah. This is what Jacob's eating to keep his strength up. The vet gave me it. Do you like it? Has protein. I think it's dog food. That's not all he eats. Jakey! Oh, you're awake, are you? Coming out? You coming out? Out? Hey, come on, wake up. I might get a little more details of Jacob here. He's old and obviously not well. Hopefully he'll live a little bit longer, but it's hard to say. But yeah, I just keep him stable. That's all we can do. He sleeps mostly. Yeah. So I'll see you guys next time. Jacob hasn't been well for a while. It's hard to say how long he has. He's an old man now. It's been a while since I've done this. Max is a year and a half. So that's just an update. I gotta give him. I gotta take him to the vet. So I'll update you guys more. I'm going to be making more YouTube videos. I know it's been a long time. I'm going to start doing that. So yeah. So stay tuned. Alright. Bye. I might get an update on this guy before I go. I know I said goodbye already. Max, you want to say anything? No? Are you just chewing on your toy? Yeah. Are you a good boy? Are you going to go to the doctor? Are you?